Welcome to episode 2 of our LiveKit series. If you didn't seen our first lecture, I would recommend that you just go and watch first lecture. If you don't know how to set up LiveKit, in that first I taught how you can set up your first AI voice agent using LiveKit. Okay. In this video, we are going to see how you can build or for regional language, and there's a main twist and the most important thing I'm going to teach right now, and how you reduced AI version cost from 10 rupees per minute to 2 rupees per minute. Generally, if you ask anyone that who built AI voice agent, the cost lies between the range 8 or 10. Right now, we are going to see how you can reduce cost to 2 rupees per minute and also build for a regional language. Okay, that's we are going to do right now. I'm talking about 2 rupees per minute means in that also including calling phone number per minute charge. Okay, yeah, that's insane. Okay, that's insane. Let's start. Let's start how you can build this agent. Okay, right now I have built 4 different agent. Okay, the code is same. The overall code is same. Just I have changed the voice model and that stuff. I'm experimenting with that. Let's see our first AI voice agent in Hindi. For that, for don't worry, I have gave I'm going to give this code to you. Yeah, you can just copy and paste, and you can access this repo as well. We have created assistant, and in that we have added our instruction, and here right now we are going to use Servam model. Servam, that is an Indian AI speech to text or text to speech model that we are going to use now. For Hindi, Servam is too cost effective. I have tested. Yeah, but there is some issue with Servam. Servam has latency and not good at some part, but yeah, you can test and you can definitely use try Servam voice has best for Hindi, but it has some issue with latency. Yeah, that's the stuff. If you want to reduce cost, we want to compromise on some parts. Yeah, here what we did, we added our Servam model, like Servam we want, and we also mention the language. We are going to use language Hindi and model like Sarika, the model name, and we are going to use LLM OpenAI GPT-4o, and also used Sarvam for text to speech. Right now we are going to use both for same model for text to speech and speech to text. Yeah, that's thing we are going to do right now, and I'm also added prompt. That's the main stuff we are going to do here. Before this is the basic thing we are going to change every time when we test and stuff. But right now I'm going to explain the other stuff that has in code. Like initially we imported some dependencies that, and here we are importing our plugins like what sort of like OpenAI Servam and noise cancellation. And when the main part is we required to import load env like our environment variables. I know there is a couple of our folks are technical, but sometimes if you not, then just we are here importing our credentials from .env local file. Okay, and the next is the main important thing. Yeah, when the assistant or agent will start, then this is the first instruction that agent going to speak. That instruction I have added, and allow I'm added a one property allow interruption to suppose user try to speak, then agent will get stopped and agent will give chance the user to speak. Yeah. And what is WAD? WAD is used for turn detection. Suppose I have stopped speaking, then WAD detect that. Okay, I have stopped speaking. Then it will proceed further step like speech to text and all that stuff. Yeah, that's the basic thing that you want to know. There is no any other stuff. as difficult. It's just a boilerplate code you can use, and you can definitely build your first voice agent without going any too technically. Okay, that's the basic stuff. Okay, let's test our voice agent in Hindi. Right now we using the server. Yeah, first for test, you want to require to activate your environment variable and that stuff. Okay, I I can. And we are going to add our command agents.agent1. Right now, this command will change according to your file location. Right now I'm in my agent code is in the agent dot, like here, like you can see the folder structure. Like I have main folder agent, in that have uh folder name agents. Again in that I have agent 1.py. Due to that I have added this command. If you are okay, and enter it. Let's see and test. Before that, we required to, yeah, I already installed that, but for you, just go in, just when, just click on requirement.txt file and add the dependencies like LiveKit agent Servam that that you need to install first, and second, you need to add Servam API key in the .env file. Okay, where is our .env.local? In same way, I'm showing you right now an example. I'm not going to reveal my API key. That's why. Okay, here you require to add like Servam API key. Okay, in this way, you require to just add your API key here. It's easy. Just go on Servam website and just try to get. This error is like it's showing me again and again. I There is no error in my code, but still it's showing error. It is some timeout issue. I'm just trying to rerun my code. Still showing issue. Okay, after trying so many time, our agent has got started. Let's see and test our agent. Okay, playground dot live kit and try to connect. Okay, our agent is got connected. Let wait a minute. It takes some time. Hey, hi buddy, how are you?
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको अपडेट देती रहूँगी।
ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया, क्या है?
मैं यहाँ आपकी यात्रा की योजना बनाने में मदद करने के लिए हूँ। क्या आप मुझे बताएँगे कि आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम विजय है।
धन्यवाद विजय। आप कहाँ यात्रा करना चाहते हैं?
कौन कौन से ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है?
आपकी पसंद के लिए बहुत सारे विकल्प हैं। क्या आप किसी खास देश या शहर पर विचार कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, इटली वगैरह जाना देख रहा हूँ मैं।
इटली बहुत खूबसूरत है। आप कितने लोग यात्रा कर रहे हैं?
5।
अच्छा, आपकी यात्रा के लिए कौन-सी तारीखें हैं?
Okay, that's our voice agent is working. Yeah, I know there is some latency issue. Yeah, that's the thing. And in future, I'm also going to uh, tell that how you can. I'm also okay. I'm also working that. Okay, I'm also working in that how we reduce this latency in future. And if I reduce that, hey, actually, I forgot. I'm recording this video again. Okay, I forgot to tell that other workflows, other agent that I have built and what I'm testing right now. Okay, here what I did just I used the deepgram for speech to text. Why I'm using deepgram here? It will reduce some latency because for now what we doing for speech to text and text to speech server. due to that both of uses it will increase some latency. But if you add some dipgram has low latency, and you tried and you minimize some latency and using dipgram, and at the end for text to speech here we are using our uh, which model our server model again. Yeah, that's one thing I'm tested and it will work, and it has some low latency. You okay, just you can test that one as well. I'm not going to test again, but you can test and implement that stuff. Okay. And next is what I'm testing. Yeah, I'm also testing with Cartesia, like voice training on Cartesia. It will reduce your latency. It will cost you around 4 rupees per minute using DeepGram and Cartesia. It will cost you around 4 rupees, or it may also reduce 3.5 rupees as well. Yeah, it has also best and cheaper option. It will also keep up quality and also reduce latency, that stuff. Yeah, you want to just test which Hindi model, like which model in Cartesia, which voice you want to select. Just go and test. I'm not going to give all the stuff you, because if you go and test it on yourself, you will get to learn lot of stuff. That has I'm going to test is its price may around like as I tell 3.5 to 4 rupees. Yeah, you go and test. And next is with the 11 slabs. Yeah, deepgram is common, OpenAI model is common in all the stuff. The next stuff with the 11 labs, when you implement 11 labs, that voice quality is increased according to voices, and the price also increase like around 5 to 6 rupees per 5 to 6 rupees per minute. Yeah, that cost will increase if if you want to use 11 labs and bestest for best quality. Yeah, its pricing is. And if you want to also test with OpenAI model, like which model is giving best answer, like GPT-4 or like latest model. Yeah, if we implementing that also OpenAI, the cost will get increase up to 8 rupees, 9 rupees. Yeah, that's the four agent that I'm trying to build and I have built it. And yeah, but Servam, yeah, is pretty good for low price and low cost. You can definitely use that in your business if you're like small business and that stuff. And I have also give a hack. Use Dibram model for speech to text. It will reduce some latency. That's it for this lecture. Let's meet in episode 3 again. If you have any doubt, thank you so much for this watching video, and I think you got some value from this video. And if you looking for any voice solution, you can connect me. I'm founder of Singtime. We help businesses to build AI agents and voice agents. You can definitely contact us, and we help you like best possible solution for you. I don't recommend if you are a well established business, then I don't recommend to compromise on quality. Focus on quality, build a good voice agent, and lot of people comparing that voice agent like 8 rupees cost to other human. Yeah, it in India it may be costly, but look from different aspects. How it going to be help like reducing manpower, and it will charge whatever it uses. Yeah, that the stuff going to happen. Yeah, and don't forget to join our Discord community. If you have also any doubt, you can ask there. You can also message me on Discord. I will also available on that. And as many as value possible, I am trying to give you. Yeah, a lot of people commenting like just create the content on voices, and yeah, I'm doing that stuff.